If you work with documents in Microsoft Word, comments can be a huge help for reviewing edits, leaving feedback, and collaborating with others. But sometimes comments get collapsed or hidden, and it can be frustrating when you want to see everything at once. In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand all comments in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful Word tips and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, start menu, or taskbar, depending on how you usually launch it. Once Word is open, open the document that contains the comments you want to view. This could be a document you're editing yourself, or one that was shared with you for review. After your document is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and click the Review tab. The Review tab is where Microsoft Word keeps all the tools related to comments, tracking changes, proofing, and document review. If you're not already on the right tab, this is the place you want to be. Now that you're in the Review tab, look for the Comments section. Depending on your version of Word, you may see a button labeled Show Comments or a similar option related to viewing comments. Click Show Comments to expand all comments in the document. This will reveal the comment thread panels so you can read them more easily without having to click each one individually. If your comments still look collapsed, make sure you're viewing the document in a layout that supports the comments pane properly. In most cases, once Show Comments is enabled, Word will display the comments alongside the text or in the comments pane on the side. That makes it much easier to review feedback from start to finish. This is especially useful if you're working on longer documents, shared reports, essays, contracts, or any file with a lot of reviewer notes. Instead of hunting through the document and expanding each comment manually, this method lets you bring everything into view much faster. And if you ever want to hide them again, you can usually go back to the Review tab and toggle the comments view off. That gives you full control over when you want to focus on the content and when you want to focus on feedback. So, to quickly recap, open Microsoft Word, open your document, go to the Review tab, and click Show Comments to expand all comments. That's the fastest way to view comment feedback all at once in Word. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.